Well, welcome back everyone. I just got home from my local Walmart and surprisingly, I literally walked in 3 minutes before they were closing. I assumed by what I saw on the inventory checker that I have that they would be restocking the shelves tonight with the Fire and Ice 2-packs. And sure enough, on the pallet, you guys can probably not see all this, but here we go. Sure enough, on the pallet, they had this brand new box of the 2-packs. Of course, this, as you can read it here, it means Monster Jam Vehicles, 1/64 scale 2-pack Fire and Ice assortment, Walmart mix from the general mainline 2-packs Mix 1B. So Mix 1B means the second batch of the first mix, and for some reason, Walmart wouldn't let Spin Master have anything above 2 trucks per case, or 2 packs per case. So here's what is inside that box, by the way. So this is what was inside the box. We have the 2 packs, obviously Mix B, so Mix 1B, here they are right here. So the second mix of Mix 1. I'm not sure if there will be a Mix 2 A and B, but I don't know why they would label it Mix 1B or Mix 1A. Usually it'd just be Mix A or Mix B. So I don't know, maybe we'll see some in the future, I have no idea, but here are the 2 packs that were inside that 2-pack box. And today we're going to actually look at the Wildfire and Yeti because I think it's the most interesting one, but I will take a look at Dalmatian and Max D later this week. So look out for that review in the coming days, but this will come out in a little while. But we're going to start here with the Wildfire and Yeti today. By far, probably one of my favorite packs of this year, and I am super excited. I went out to Walmart looking for this. I've been waiting for these to arrive in my stores, and sure enough, they finally have, so I'm super excited. And when the first mix, or Mix 1A came out, which included the Zombie and El Toro Loco 2-pack, and of course the Megalodon Fire and the, where is it? Here it is, Dragon 2-pack. So these two were Mix 1A, so these two would come in a box, so you'd see these 2 packs in a box. And then now we're in Mix 1B. I cannot wait to see what these look like out of the box. Wow, these are really, really cool. I cannot wait to review them. First off, I want to mention the package, I always do. It does have the special Fire and Ice logo. Of course, the painted dirt with the blue and red. And here it is, the pack itself, the little plastic thing, we don't need that. So here's the logos. Now, originally, Wildfire was actually named Phoenix. They did change that because they wanted something more, you know, exciting and not as plain as Phoenix. Phoenix is kind of a generic name. They decided to change it to Wildfire, and they actually give it a really nice logo. I love the W. It's actually the bird, and of course, the rest of it is just normal. Got the fire side, and of course the Yeti, the brand new Yeti casting. And here's the dirt. You can see they painted special for the Fire and Ice trucks. And of course, one little complaint card. When I first saw these in the one of the meetings I was at, I was really thrilled to see Wildfire specifically because of how detailed it is. So I'm going to start here with the Yeti. I think everyone really wants to see all the details of the Yeti. There's a lot of things to look at here. Lots of little intricate details, and you know what? This is such an awesome truck. So let's get a zoom in here, and let's take a look at the Yeti. So first off, I want to point out how detailed the hair is on this Abominable Snowman. Of course, the Abominable Snowman is kind of the standard name for a Yeti. Yeti's kind of a nickname, just like Sasquatch is nicknamed Bigfoot. So that's the nickname is Yeti. And of course, if you guys have ever seen the original Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, there is an Abominable Snowman who looks just like this. So that's just another nickname. So Yeti is one of the nicknames, and I think it's super cool. So all the detail and the shading of the colors in the hair, there's actually blue tones to it. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see the blue tones in the hair and all the different little details of the fur coat. You can see on the side it says "Beware Yeti seen in area," and of course the sign actually has a bite out of it, which is a little cool detail that they added. And of course the Monster Jam Ice logo. There's some dirt on the sign as well. It's kind of hard to see the word "seen." It almost looks like it says "bin," but it is "seen in area." You can see the ear right there, the forehead, and of course the blue window and this nice looking face. So you can see they've got the eyes, the nose, and the sharp teeth, and some more hair on the bottom of its lip. You can see there's some wrinkle details on its top lip right there. And same thing on this side, just the opposite side of the sign, "Beware Yeti seen in area." And of course it has the standard ice chassis, so white roll cage, blue chassis, blue rims, and of course these icy transparent blue tires with these snow treads. And that is amazing. I love this Yeti. Probably my favorite ice truck so far of the doubles. And now my favorite of the double pack Team Fires. This is the Wildfire. So again, like I said, renamed from Phoenix. One of the coolest castings I've ever seen. And yes, the wings do move. So you can see the wings do move upward. And also these legs here, they also move. So they're moving parts here on this truck. One of the first trucks, I believe, to have moving parts of this company. The Zombie has movable arms. I believe that's the only other truck that has moving parts. So you can see here, the legs do move and the wings move individually from each other. So you can move them up and down, and you can move the legs here up and down as well. So I want to take a look at these details because there's a ton of them. A lot of shading done in this truck as well. So you can see all the different colors of orange and red and kind of mixes between them. And here's the front, a beautiful casting of the bird you can see there. Phoenix. I like how they didn't add a pupil in the eyeball. It kind of makes it look even more menacing. And maybe they'll even use this for maybe an eagle casting in the future, or some kind of hawk casting. That would be pretty cool. I'm sure they probably will use this again because it looks like it's a pretty expensive casting, but you can see all the feather details, the red window in there, lots and lots of detail in the casting itself. But you can see all these little details in the wings again, moving up and down. And there is a hidden Monster Jam Fire logo on the side, right there. It's underneath the leg and wing, so if you cover them up, you can't see it, but it is right there, the Monster Jam Fire logo. I really wish they would have snuck a Wildfire logo on the truck itself, maybe on the wings or tucked in somewhere in here, or maybe on the top. But this is the first Spin Master truck to not have its own logo on the truck. And you can see the tail feather is a plastic insert, so right there, it's also there. And here's this side with this wing, so you could pretty much do pretty far up there to see the side details. And again, the legs do move up and down. And it has the standard fire chassis, which is red chassis, the yellow roll cage, the translucent orange tires with the yellow treads, and of course the red rims. So that is Wildfire, one of the coolest trucks I think of this entire year so far. And I love how the wings move. That's definitely a cool little thing that I'm sure the younger crowd will like as well. So you can see again the legs and stuff do move. So that's such a cool casting. I could not wait to finally demonstrate that for you guys. So that is the Spin Master 2-pack Fire and Ice, the second wave of Mixed 1, Yeti and Wildfire. I am super excited to finally own these. Let me know what you guys think about these two in the comments below, and I'll show you guys the Monster Mutt and Max D in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan of Monster Jam OCD, signing out.